Yo, say what's up with the YouTube. Back at it again with another video. Today I guess you could just gonna get a little POV angle. I was supposed to actually stop at a truck stop back there, but I don't think they got any truck parking at a diesel. I guess it was just a diesel island where to pump fuel. So long story short, we couldn't park up there. Yo man, but we about to end our day. We only got an hour to run, an hour and 32 minutes. We got some on-duty time, but you know, we've been running. So today I ran about, well, I'm gonna be finishing up about 630 miles, I think. We went from Laredo, Texas to what? Laredo to Dallas. Then from Dallas, I'm coming down to Houston, and I'm only gonna be able to run an hour and 32 minutes. But come on, pimp. Come on, you good player. I hate having to do this, man, and slow down my rig just because everybody else wants to pass, but it's only the right thing to do, man. But our trucks are governed at 65, so a lot of people that don't know, and she's drinking a Modelo. I don't know if y'all seen that. She on Modelo time for real. But anyways, our trucks are governed. I got my little GoPro joint right there, you feel me, man? Big shout out to everybody that's been subscribing to the channel, been showing love, whether it's likes and dislikes. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all continue to keep loving it. Y'all continue to keep learning, keep growing. If this channel ain't for you, or if I don't explain it a certain way, I'm sorry, beloved, but there's other channels out there that probably explain it way better than me. You know what I mean? But I appreciate it for everybody that understands me. I appreciate it for everybody that likes the content, and I appreciate the people that just come through and, you know what I'm saying, see what it is and see what it ain't. I really appreciate that as well, man. Much love to every single one of y'all. It means a lot, man, for y'all to keep coming back and checking out the channel. Don't think I don't see the people that keep on showing love. I do appreciate every single one of y'all. I do see everybody that's being consistent, you know what I'm saying? But long story short, like I was saying, our trucks are governed at 65. So for the most part, when old dude wants to pass me, his truck probably goes faster than mine 9 times out of 10. So I basically slow down, let them go, and you know what I'm saying, I rip and run right after behind them once they catch up speed. But for the most part, as you can see, let me see if I catch up. So right here it shows that we both going 64 miles an hour. Whenever you see it pop up right there, that's the mileage that he's going. But at the end of the day, shit, I mean, it ain't too shabby. I hate it though when they cut in front of me. I got that little sensor, obviously. We got that little detection where, you know, it obviously starts beeping and saying your following distance is, you know what I'm saying, too close. I kind of wanted to get a backing in this video before it got dark. I don't know what time it is, 7:39. I kind of wanted to get a little backing POV before this darkness came upon us, but I am not sure. Like I said, that last fuel stop, it didn't have a parking, so I don't know. I might not continue the video. I might just continue it when I find a place to park, or find a Pilot or a Flying J coming up, and I might start the video then. Just because I'm not gonna keep on driving and talking and driving and talking. But let me know if y'all do want to see that in my next video. Go ahead and just comment down below. Hey bro, make these videos longer, or drive while you know what I'm saying, woo-de-woo, talk and woo-de-woo. I'm down to do that too. Some dude in my video, in my oil field video, he was like, man bro, you talking too much. Come on, pimp. Like, man bro, you talking too much. I said, well brother, go to a video, go to a channel that ain't gonna talk your ear off and give you all the information he possibly can. You feel me? So I don't know, man. You know, I mean, I love the haters and I love the people that love me. It's all love, man. I don't care, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, man. It's all love on this side. But yeah, I might just go ahead and continue the video when I find a truck stop where I can park up at. And yeah, man, just so y'all don't see just this road action. I mean, it's nice, I guess. You got a little nice, beautiful sky outside, man. You feel me? But I don't think y'all just want to see this and me talking. So when I find a place to park up, or a sign where I got a truck stop coming up, I'm finna click, turn y'all back on, man. I'm gonna see y'all in a bit. Go. That's an example of what not to do. We did find a travel center and a road ranger, so we might go ahead and park up I want to back into where there's multiple trucks. I was low-key trying to show y'all something when it comes to this backing, but shit, it didn't take too long. That one got a decent amount of parking. Let's try that joint over there. Let's see what it's like. We good. Yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and post up, see what your shit. If this one's better, we might go ahead and come back to this one, but we're gonna go ahead and check that one out. I want one where there's a lot of trucks, just so I can kind of display the little backing scenario. Oh yeah, that one got a lot of trucks. I think I might want to go that way. For the people that are just starting to back, I think these backing videos are really helping y'all out, and I really appreciate it for the feedback. Everybody be like, man, bro, them videos helping me out for real, bro. I appreciate it. Them videos helping me out more than my trainer. I'm like, damn, bro, like I really appreciate that, bro. That's cool. I'm glad that somebody can learn from the videos, you know. And for the most part, that's why I'm posting them, you know, so I can see what it is. I chill in these streets, man. But it ain't too shabby. Damn, this joint look new too. It might be pretty decent. And that boy got a trailer out that joint. Let's see. Hopefully the people I park by ain't in their truck, cause they gonna be just staring at a pimp like, damn, pimp, what you trying to do, bro? Get up out the way, son. I'm like, man, I was trying to show my people on the tool what it do, man. You feel me? I would want to park over there, see, next to that red truck. It got 2 spaces, but I need 2 trucks on both of my sides. So we're gonna go ahead and hang this little, ooh, you feel me? I will go back that way. I don't really want to be in the front either. Let me see. We could probably do this one. Oh man, hold up, player. All right, let's go around. We could probably go through the back side. This one's cool, but it got 2 spaces open. I think we could do it. But I guess we can just see right here, bro. You can low-key just straight back. I guess, man. Let's just go ahead and just run it up, man. It's easy peasy, man. We gonna go ahead all the way to 12 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna let it roll by itself. We're gonna go ahead and swing it all the way back. We already locked in, Jack. Turn on these hazards real quick. Light work, POV, man, backing. Get your money right, man. Boom. Make sure you clear on both sides. Come to the middle of those yellow lines. Once you think you green, start turning. Jackknife that boy. Look back. Oh yeah, we in there. And then turn back. Yes, Sirski. And then right here in a few minutes, we just gonna pull up one time, and then we gonna straight back. We could have low-key came all the way over here. I'm just trying to make it a little bit exciting, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to just make everything too easy. Right here, I'm just got it at a little angle. I'm letting it just do its thing. Right when it's getting out of pocket, I just correct it. Easy money, man. Easy money, man. Easy money. Make sure we go good on that side. Ooh, we in there like swimwear, you feel me? Damn, look at that sky, so nice. Look at that boy. Sheesh, God is good, baby. God got a beautiful creation out here, huh? I'm already knowing. What's up, my boy? You see these backing skills, boy? Ooh, that boy nasty with it. Let's turn off these hazards real quick. Yeah, man, but that's all it is to it. We got a like I said earlier, we did a little 600, and we did a little less than 6. We did like right maybe at 600, cause low key I'm gonna go on duty real quick. Just real quick. I'm gonna do a quick little post trip. Do a little quick little post trip, man. Make sure everything is cool, calm, and collected. I had trouble with these lines the other day. Not the lines, but these little coupling deals. I had to put some new ones on my Glad hands, cause shit, them doors was all messed up. Actually, I need to fix these too. Need to take this out. y'all always want to do a pro strip, man. If y'all ain't doing a pro strip, make sure y'all on point. You don't want to be stopped by the DOT. You be SOL. Paying them fines ain't no joke. Like, by the grace of God, I ain't never been stopped by them, but I do not want to deal with that. I am cool. And low-key, this one right here, this is actually a new electrical line. I don't, let me see. Nobody down here has it, but I had one just like this for the electrical. But this dude that came to replace it, because it was messed up, he came and just gave me one like this. So I just had to get what I could to keep get on the road. So let me see, I'm trying to figure out a way. I might just have to do it the same way, just tie it multiple times. No cap, no cap, no cap. That's a lot better. Yeah, man, we straight like a light post, man. Everything green, everything cool, kosher. Hey, I got a video I have not posted, but I got a video where I had some of my mud flaps on my trailer be all the way discombobulated, boy. I'm talking about this whole thing. I might post pictures that, like, this whole thing was bent. This joint was halfway cut. The other side was all chewed up like a pit bull, and the hood just ate it up, you feel me? Everything kosher and copacetic, man. Everything cool. And they just nigga rigged this joint, huh? Oh well, it is what it is. But yeah, man, hope y'all enjoy these videos. Let me know if y'all want me to do a lot of POVs like this of when ending my day or starting my day. I'll go ahead and post one up. Just, you know what I'm saying, let me know. Keep me loaded and informed, locked and loaded like a baked potato, man. We gonna go ahead and call it a day, man, and get started early in the morning. Yeah, man, everything cool. Man, my truck has been dirty, no cap. Since I have not washed this joint, so I can explain all this. All this is right here, gas. I messed around. You know, we usually put the what you call it, the fuel pump, you know what I'm saying? I put it deep down in there. When it clicks, when it's done, they're just falling out and throwing gas everywhere. But it is what it is, man. I'm not finna just sit there, hold this side for a whole, what, 6, 7, 8 minutes? Nah, I said like, yeah, something like that. Nah, I said like, what? Yeah, that's how much it takes for, I think, like 6 minutes. And then come on the other side and then have to pump this side and hold this side for another 7 minutes. I'd rather just let them do their thing, and this is, I guess, the result. But you know, just gonna be wasting a lot of time on my on-duty time. And you know, the more on-duty time you got is the more time you ain't driving. So we rather drive and get this money than just be on duty, man. So yeah, man, that's about it. And I hope y'all enjoy these videos. Let me know if y'all want me to do a little POV of how I end my day, in my shift. Lost connection, got it. We straight like a light post, man. But yeah, man, I got a lot of updates that I kind of want to give y'all, but low-key I do not want to give them yet, just because I wasn't getting a lot of miles here when I first, well, until, I mean, shit, literally till last week. I complained about it on my time off, you know what I'm saying? I like to just see how things go. So it's been a month, and shit, I ain't gonna lie to you, since the 12th. So yeah, it's been about a month that I've been here, and I just wasn't getting the miles that were shown to me when I was, you know what I'm saying, when I started. So I was like, man, I said, Euro, I said, hey, I said, excuse me, you know, I said, ooh, did it all, you know what I'm saying, professional, had good communication, let Wooty Woo know, like, hey, look, this is this, you know what I mean? On average, we supposed to average around 1,600 $160 to $2,200 every week, right? But I wasn't hitting those numbers, so I'm just like, hey beloved, you know what I mean, holla at your boy, man, let me know what it is. And you know, I'm always on time. I'm always to every delivery. I'm literally hours ahead of time. So I'm like, look, I get to these spots really early. I'm waiting, I do my thug dizzle, pick up an empty, and I'm on my way to the next load. And I'm always doing my thing, and you know, I don't understand why I'm not getting all these miles. So I put a little complaint in, and this week they actually got me running. Well, at the beginning of this week, which is what, yesterday, I went from Houston to San Antonio to Dallas, and then from Dallas I went to, what is it, nah, I'm lying to you, I went from Houston to San Antonio, from San Antonio to Laredo, then from Laredo, that's where we bust the mission today. We went from Laredo to Dallas, or a little outside of Dallas, and then from Dallas we went to Waxahachie, and then now we going down to Houston, but we ran out of time going there, so we ran about, I want to say roughly around 600 and something miles today. Yesterday, from what? From Houston to San Antonio, that's only about 250 something miles, and then from San Antonio to Laredo was another 240 some miles. So that's on an average, let's just thug it out and say 500. So it's 500, what was it, Tuesday? Yeah, because today's Wednesday. Yep, today's Wednesday. So yeah, Tuesday we ran 500, today we ran 600 on average, and tomorrow I'm hoping to run another 600. So that's the goals, man. But you know, no telling, you know what I mean, you have a blowout, mud flaps got a, you know, rip in them, trailer lights out, you know, so many variables in this trucking game. A lot of people think it's easy, but I'm gonna get off here and stop yapping, man. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. I gotta shower up, get cleaned up. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Y'all remember to like, comment, share, subscribe if you like this little POV angle. If you want me to do more of these videos, either starting my day and then little clips throughout my day and then the ending, let me know. I'll go ahead and do that for you. How to hook up a trailer, you know what I mean, from beginning to end, and how I drop a trailer, how I swap trailers, whatever the case is. You got any questions, y'all already know, man, ask your boy, man. Put them down in the comments below, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. We gonna go ahead and call it a night. Y'all stay blessed, y'all stay on that road, y'all be safe. We out, baby, let's go.
Learn to handle business, get a grip, don't let it go. Days full of hard work, passion, grinding, welcome to my land. I may not know it all, but I promise I know who I am. Torso.